Some types of the SX9 key bitting number exclusively on side B. In this video, we'll take it as an example. Click Search, Input, ID 1047 to enter the key data page. The system default is side A. If side A has the bitting number, it can be decoded and cut first. In this video, we will show you how to cut side B. Click Switch. Fix the original key on S6 jaw shown in the figure. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings. Then click Decode to start decoding. After decoding is done, fix the key blank shown in the figure. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings. Select 2.0mm cutter. Then click Cut to start cutting. All cutting is done. Please clean the shavings and test that the new key works well.